Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a question effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and first of all I'm going to open up the project I have just created, this one, and I'm going to create a question effect in this video. If we want to add the question mark effect, we can go to the effect menu and we're going to select the video effect, and in this video effect you can scroll all the way to the right around here until you find the cartoon category. Okay, just tap on this category and scroll down and select the question mark. Okay, this is the question mark, and as you can see guys that the question mark has been applied to my video, and you can make it align with your video by dragging this effect like this. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create question effect in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.